How's it going, YouTube? So I got the Losi 8ight-E back out today. We're gonna run it on 6S. I got the China Hobby Lipos in there. These are the two 3S's. I made them put them together and made 6S. So I did go ahead and go down to a 16-tooth pinion since we're gonna be running it on 6S. I didn't want the motor to get too hot, and I did go ahead and put 20,000 weight in the rear. So we're gonna go ahead and test the difference of that. Hopefully we get some more grab. Anyway, stay tuned. Just saying, I got a screw right here loose. Let me go ahead and tighten that up, and then we'll get to it. Y'all, first run on 6S off-road. She got a lot of oomph in her, I'll tell you that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try 200 in the center for sure. 100 might be too weak. I don't like 200, I'm gonna go to 5. Need to pull them woolies. Got a cone out there. I don't know who put that there. I definitely did. You gotta see how it weigh with them 6S packs. Oh, there we go. Now we know. We're gonna have to lure her again. Suspension might need some tuning with them heavy batteries in there. Buggy definitely handles good though. Definitely got to get it on the track. I know my boy Rajay said put that thing on the track. I just got to get some better tires, cause let me show y'all. These tires right here, my local track is an outdoor track and it's carpet, so them tires will rip it up. Plus, they ain't really no track tires, they're for bashing. Got another track around here too, that's a 8th scale outdoor track, but I gotta get some tires. I don't want to take it with these. I had some, but I gave it to my boy. Now he got them, holding it down for me. Go check that battery. I forgot to put another strap. I got one strap on there today. Just want to fix the batteries. Next outing, I think I'm gonna go with a 200K in the diff. Try that out with a 14-tooth. Right now, I could barely get halfway on the throttle. Remember, this is a 2500 kV, so got a lot more oomph. It don't need to be geared that much. Laying nice and planted. Let's see if we can pull a back flip with ease. Gee. Nowhere near full throttle. Back flip with ease. Come around the turn, hit the jump. Oh yeah, let's get it in. Definitely want to get this on the track. I got to. Look at it, handling. Coming around that turn. Take the jump. Oh, get up out of there. Yeah. Get up out of there. Nice little buggy, man. Success. Uh-oh. Alright guys, I just cut off. No power, probably the battery wire came out. Let's see, just in case. Take y'all, let y'all know what's going on. Alright, so one of my solder wires came undone. Yeah, to show y'all that. It's the bottom one. There you go right there, see that? That's why I cut off. She ran good though, I ain't got no complaints. I still need to get a receiver cover for it, and then it'll be complete. But I also want to get another 6S pack so I can just put a single 6S in here. I don't want to deal with the two 6S's unless I'm running it on either side like that. you know. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. She did good on 6S. She was ripping it up, flipping. Still getting the hang of her in the air, balancing and stuff, but we'll get it right. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Hope you guys enjoy.